How to download and install TikTok application. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download and use the TikTok application. TikTok is a short form video platform where users create, share, and discover videos ranging from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Known for its personalized For You feed, trending challenges, music, and viral content, TikTok enables creativity, self expression, and global community engagement. It has become a hub for trends, entertainment, and even education, appealing to millions worldwide. So let's see how you can download this application. First thing first, you will have to open up your Google Play Store. Go ahead and search for TikTok on the search bar. Once you do that, hit enter and you will see this application from TikTok Private Limited. Just tap on install. While this is installing, this is a good time to remind you to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. So once the installation process is complete, your open button will light up green. So just wait for it to happen. So once the open button lights up, you just have to tap on it. Now from here, it will ask you about your interests. So you can choose anything from here. So let's say if I'd like to see some comedy, some food, some sports, and some travel videos on my For You page, I'm just going to do that and tap next. And depending on your choices, TikTok will recommend you those kind of videos. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.